बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है। आई थिंक रीच बहुत ज़्यादा है और पॉस्टैरिटी के लिए आपके एक चीज़ है जो रह जाती है यहाँ पे, आप आज कल परसों एक साल बाद कभी भी देख सकते हैं। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म, इट हैज़ रियली वाइड रीच।
I'm very excited because I'm part of it. I did Ragini. I'm nominated also, so I'm very excited. I'm happy that we only do it for films and TV shows. Now web is also taking this opportunity, and I'm happy.
कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा। ये है कि काम करते रहने का, मिलेगा अवार्ड अच्छा, नहीं मिलेगा तो भी अच्छा। काम करते रहे, तुम लोग प्यार दे रहे, इतना मेरा फ़ोटो ले रहे, मेरे से इतनी सारी बातें कर रहे, तो मेरी इज़्ज़त तो आप लोगों ने काफ़ी रखी है और हम भी कोशिश करेंगे कि अपने तरफ से कुछ ऐसा ना करें, कोशिश करेंगे।
मैं आज होस्ट कर रहा हूँ पहली बार, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज मैंने कभी लाइफ में होस्ट नहीं किया है आज तक। हमेशा एक्ट करता आया, डांस करता आया, मुझे वही दो चीज़ें आती हैं। सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड व्हेन IWM केम टू मी कि आप क्या होस्ट करना चाहेंगे, आई वाज लाइक why not? So this is a pleasure for me actually to come over here to this platform with All Balaji and to host these awards. So that's all.
मैं बहुत excited हूँ और ये digital platform है and it needs recognition too. So we are recognizing and we're gonna have a great time. सब लोग smiles और awards देंगे and everybody's looking beautiful, बहुत अच्छे हैं. So we're gonna have an awesome time.
See, expectation की तो कोई बात ही नहीं है क्योंकि अवार्ड मुझे तो मिल नहीं रहा और मैं नॉमिनेट नहीं हूँ। अगर मैं बिग बॉस से 31 दिसंबर से पहले निकलती तो शायद अपना नाम भी दे देती, लेकिन मैं लोगों को अवार्ड दे रही हूँ, तो किसी को अवार्ड देना भी ऑनर की बात है और खुश हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा।
Well, obviously I've been wanting to wear sari for a very long time, so I thought why not? And luckily this sari is a ready-made sari, so I was like, I think I can wear it comfortably. And yeah, I love to shine a little bit because I think red carpets में when you glow and you glitter, it always looks nicer. So yeah.
जी, पहली बार डिजिटल अवार्ड्स हो रहे हैं और फाइनली आई एम सो ग्लैड कि ये हो रहा है बिकॉज आई थिंक डिजिटल हैज़ बिकम अ ह्यूज प्लेटफॉर्म और उनको अवार्ड करना बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया है। सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द इवनिंग और अ लॉट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स आर नॉमिनेटेड, तो मैं ऑल द बेस्ट कहना चाहूँगी उन सब नॉमिनीज़ को और ऑल द बेस्ट टू द विनर्स एज वेल।
You should always stand with new beginning. So I think I always do that. So that is why I'm here. And I have a lot of friends who are nominated and I'm looking forward for their winning.
I think it's fantastic. We, all the television actors here, Chang is not a television actor, but all the television actors present here would agree with me that all of us, we have this craving to do something different, and it is only possible through web. So, and yeah, it's good, yeah. And the good part is that it is not going to be, this award function is not going to be telecasted on a regular GEC, and it's going to be on a news channel.
Yeah, and news channel.
घपले का कम वो है.
Well, there are some great nominations, and I think web series have really left films behind, and there are some very interesting stories on the internet, and some fantastic performances. I'm so happy to see so many new actors and so many actors who've probably not been seen for so long, and they're getting some very interesting roles. And as an actor, at least, when I watch a web series, I get to learn something more about performances. हर एक नए एक्टर के साथ एक नया परफॉर्मेंस देखने को मिलता है।
Digital platform is the most happening platform right now. लोगों को कुछ कहना होता है पर्सनली तो भी लोग डिजिटली आजकल जाहिर कर देते हैं और उसका रीच इज़ बियॉन्ड कंपैरिजन। तो काफ़ी टाइम से छोटे तरीके से वेब सीरीज़ या शॉर्ट फिल्म्स स्टार्ट हो चुके थे, बट आई थिंक इसका कोई अवार्ड्स नहीं था, किसी को सराहा नहीं जा रहा था, बट दिस इज़ अ प्रॉपर प्लेटफॉर्म वेर इन लोगों को अवार्ड्स दिए जाएंगे और इसके साथ और भी लोग आएंगे, रुक करेंगे वेब सीरीज़ के तरफ।
लिरिक्स के लिए विक्रम जी मेरे डैड को नॉमिनेशन मिला है, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड ऑन हिज बिहाफ and we are nominated for the casting and lyrics and production house, so we are all very excited on his behalf. I think I'm going to be here and really excited for everybody.
I think ये जो इंडियन विकीमीडिया ने शुरू किया है, it's very well deserved. I think they're the first ones who are doing it. It's a brilliant platform. After films and television, ये हमारा सबसे बड़ा platform है हिंदुस्तान में अभी, and I think it's great that जो भी digital content provide करते हैं उनके लिए कितनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आज के बाद वो जो भी डिजिटल कंटेंट बनाते हैं, आई मीन they also can look forward to being appreciated for the work that they've put in, be it the actors, the directors, the creators. I wish them all the best, and the entire team of Indian Wikimedia all the best, and many, many congratulations for starting this.
My film has been nominated to a new beginning. So I'm doing television after a long time, and it's good to be here. And I hope कि हम लोग जीते, हमारी फिल्म जीते. So नहीं, बिल्कुल उम्मीद नहीं की थी, क्योंकि इतनी सारी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बनती हैं और उनमें से टॉप 5 में आना भी अपने आप में जीत है. And so it's been a good year. I hope कि आज हम जीते, and I think it's much better organized than what I expected. I thought digital है तो मोबाइल है तो छोटा सा होगा, but it's as big as any good award function. So I think it's the evening is going to be filled with surprises.
I've been working on this platform for the last 2 years, so obviously this was quite unexpected कि ऐसा भी कुछ होगा. So it's a unique concept, and our team has been nominated in various categories, so obviously it's very important, and we are very excited about it.
हाँ बिल्कुल यार, मैं इस माध्यम में बहुत बिलीव करता हूँ. मुझे लगता है ये भविष्य है हमारी इंडस्ट्री का. जैसे मैंने टेस्ट केस किया है, वो नॉमिनेटेड है. इट्स नॉट सो सिंपल, दानिश असलम की वो भी नॉमिनेटेड है. तो मुझे लगता है ये प्लेटफॉर्म लोगों तक ये शो पहुँचाएगा और वेरियस शोज़ पहुँचाएगा, बिकॉज यही फ्यूचर है. आप भी मोबाइल पे देखते हो, सब आईपैड पे देखते हैं, सिनेमा जा रहे हैं लोग, बट ये भी एक माध्यम बन चुका है, तो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है.
Yeah, so it's very good. I mean, we're doing films and we're doing web series again. Like, you know, पिछले 6 महीने से मैं भी web series में जुटा हुआ हूँ, and it's fantastic, यार. You know, it's like it's the best medium. You know, I've had such a ball working with Ekta Kapoor, with Disney. It's fantastic. I think commercial cinema also now, you know, whatever the changes have happened, people have become more liberal. But definitely, you can push the edge and the envelope as a digital platform. इसलिए I think it's flourishing even further. And you can't, you know, I mean, वहाँ पे hit or flop decide हो जाता है. Audience आपकी king है, so.
I think digitalized version is the next thing, which is upcoming thing, which is not even upcoming now. Already हम देख चुके हैं कि digital version कितना ये platform कितना strong है, and it can reach to globally everywhere, all the places. और अभी तक कोई ऐसे award functions शुरू नहीं हुए थे, and this is one of the thing which was much needed. And I'm happy that it started now eventually, and there's more potential to the digital platform. इससे भी ज़्यादा. और मैं खुश हूँ इस बात से कि I've been a part of the very first event of award function of this digital world. So you'll see it's growing, and it will be growing more.
I'm expecting a lot of fun, a lot of entertainment, because it's the biggest digital awards, and I'm so glad to be nominated, and it feels great because web series is doing so well in our country, and I'm sure soon all the platforms are going to take India by storm.
Yeah, it's a great opportunity, a great event, because it's a double pleasure for me, because the show that I was a creative producer of, Boss Dead or Alive, has 18 nominations today. So we are here to just celebrate those nominations and also to celebrate the birth of a new medium.
मतलब I've always believed that we need to have an alternate source of platform for content, जहाँ आप कुछ अलग हटके कर सकते हैं. Digital is for me the future of where our talent and creative forces can go. तो अभी से अगर हम digital platform को एक recognition देते in terms of awards or applauding them for something that they do differently, because all of them are taking a step जो पहले कोई ले नहीं रहा है. तो I think this sort of an award function gives them encouragement to do more, and as talent we get more avenues to explore ourselves and reach out to audiences. So anything digital I am totally supporting. It is the future. So
see, I think there will always be people who will use, and there will be always people who will misuse, and that doesn't go only for digital, it goes for science, no? गन मिलती है बचाने के लिए भी, गन मिलती है मारने के लिए भी. तो अब अगर जिसका दिमाग जैसा खुराफाती होगा वो वैसा ही इंसान काम करेगा, आप उसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. वी आर सो one of my shows which is nominated is called Class of 2017. So इस साल Class of 2018 is coming, and one of my biggest youth shows is happening called Punch Beat. Ekta and I are very excited about the show. So I think there's more stuff happening digitally right now. So बहुत exciting time.
Yeah, I think I mean to say जैसे टीवी के लोगों को एक ज़माने में recognition मिली थी, I think अगले कुछ सालों में digital is also going to be a very big platform, and I think this is a very good start for them to start an awards for them and to get a platform for recognition.
Yeah, of course. I think it's the first digital awards function, at least the one I'm attending, and definitely a good start because people are doing so much work digitally, and it's a medium which is like a galaxy. You can't contain it. You know, it's unlimited access to people all over the world. So there should be recognition, there should be functions, and I'm sure these awards will be definitely more genuine than many of our film award functions.
मेरी पहली वेब सीरीज़ है और पहली वेब सीरीज़ में पहला नॉमिनेशन, सो वेरी एक्साइटेड, वेरी हैप्पी। लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया ये मेरे किरदार को। पहली बार मैं भूत बना हुआ, so I'm very happy that I've got nominated and fingers crossed that ये award भी मिल जाए।
Digital platform always has that thing, like people love it and people watch it. Even if you talk about Netflix or something like Alt Balaji, it reaches to people और वो बहुत सही होता है because काफ़ी लोग कनेक्ट करते हैं और काफ़ी लोगों को और भी अच्छा देखने मिलता है, and they're coming up with new concept and that is what is important.
I think it's the new future, digital, and I love web series these days. I'm sure you all are watching. So there are actually quite a few that I follow and I'm looking forward for it because there are so amazing performances. So I think they should be appreciated, they should be rewarded, and that's about it.
I'm expecting a dazzling night. I think it's very important that all of us, just like you, all of us come and support it. I think in the Indian digital industry is in its very nascent stage, and I think इस साल हमने काफ़ी शोज़ देखे हैं। पिछले साल थोड़े आए थे, इस साल और आए हैं, अगले 5 साल में बहुत ज़्यादा आएंगे। And I'm just happy and fortunate that जब 10 साल बाद या 15 साल बाद डिजिटल स्पेस के बारे में बात की जाएगी, हम सब इस रात यहाँ शामिल थे जब ये इसकी शुरुआत हुई थी। So I think it's in a lot of ways it's a very important night today.